Ka menteri ketenaga koi ke kek kong Ampareen do kalap pentip ba ke World Health Organization WHO kadang Tohkit benia Halor ke Jingpang while Polio ha Meghalaya. Ya ke kes ke balak suban kong ke dei na po ke snong Trikikala area ke West Garo Hills district ha ka khat sao terik mentau benai ha ke ba iwe I hybrid badang arts nem siteng la penkit sha Golpora Civil Hospital banyo ke Jing Sumar balak suba ba ila banyo ya ke te ke Jingpang ong ke kong lingdo.
We, both the Principal Secretary, the DHS research, have made statements on this matter. Today I also commented on this matter. Now, this particular strain of the virus is what needs to be studied, and the WHO is also on the job of investigating the details of the samples of this child that was detected from Trikikila in Golpara district. I mean, in the hospital in Golpara district. So we have said that now we are again trying to identify the strain of this virus, whether or not it is a fact. So we are now going door to door. Surveillance teams have been upscaled, and we are now awaiting the reports from the institute in Pune, which will give us an indication of what is the kind of strain, whether or not it is polio or whether or not there is any further threat. So on the part of the department, we are making sure that our teams will now go on a vigorous testing in the so-called village where this case was detected. Now we want to ensure that before making any statement and causing further confusion on this matter, we will seek proper guidance on the matter and get proper sampling done and get proper results. Once all of that has happened, then we will decide on the way forward. But as of now, it is just that. In fact, the child who was diagnosed with this strain of polio, whatever the strain name is in good health, is stable, and there seems to be other issues related to the polio drops that were given. Now we want to wait and watch and get proper medical traces before we comment further. But as of now, it is not an outbreak, it is not a big threat, and we can only give better information once we have collected that information from the ground.